Saadi Palace.
Wow.
My parents built it as a tribute to Muslim art, and so you can find all kinds of little details. So there was a lot of research done on that, because Muslim architecture goes from the Andaluz, so Spain, till India, so you have a lot of influences. Saadi has a strong name because it has a strong history. My grandparents established this business in 1952.
Wow, okay.
And when they arrived, there was only very few hotels here in Marrakech and no casino. And they opened the first casino in Morocco.
They were very smart.
And one of the first in Africa.
Wow, okay.
So they were quite adventurous at that time.
Yeah, very.
As I told you, we're a family. It might look big, but our customers says it feels small.
Yeah.
So we want our customers to feel at home, and so we try to tailor-made service. We try to cater with a really personalized service. This is why we have 30% return guests,
wow,
which is
that's high.
A very high level. Our main goal is that people come back. So once you come, we try to know you, we try to know your habits, and try to make you feel as comfortable as possible, so that next time you think of a holiday,
we think of here.
You think of here. Our partnership with WPT was the first one with a renowned international brand, and this was in 2009.
Wow, so actually not that long ago.
Well, 9 years is a long time in poker, because poker is a young sport, or a young game, as you wish to call it. We started in poker in 2005, and we started with the Marrakech Poker Opens. And one day we were contacted by WPT, which was interested to develop a little bit in Africa. And now when we organize 600, 700 people tournaments, we still try to give this family feel, because otherwise it would be like everywhere else.
Yeah.
When you look back, you say, well, we've done a lot of things, but you always have to look ahead. And this is what my grandparents were saying. They were never talking about history and what they've done, always thinking about the next step and what we would be doing tomorrow, because we're driven by passion, and this is the most important thing, you know. It's just like everybody says, you know, the best cuisine they've ever had is the one their mother or grandmother was doing for them. It's just because it's
passion.
It's passion, it's done with the heart.
Thank you so much, John Alexander,
thank you. It's a pleasure.
For taking the time to talk to me. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it and enjoyed looking at these amazing gardens.